Today we'll be looking at few steps to having a productive day.
Try to wake up the same time every day to set a routine. Waking up early can help regulate your sleep cycle and improve the quality of your sleep, which can lead to increase in energy and productivity throughout your day. Early morning devotion can provide mental clarity, improve mood, and a sense of purpose, which gives your day the spark needed. Take a few minutes to plan out your day the night before or the morning of. Having a plan can help you stay focused and on track, improve time management, reduce stress, increase accountability, and gives you a sense of direction during your day. Incorporating exercise into our daily routine leads to boosting confidence, boosting energy for a healthier and happy lifestyle. Research has shown that the adult body is made up of 60% water and our blood is 90% water. Drinking water constantly during your day helps you keep a normal body temperature, boosts skin and health beauty, and flushes body waste. Having a to-do list helps you plan your day. By writing down everything you need to do, you can see how much time you have and plan your day accordingly. This will help you avoid overbooking yourself or feeling like you don't have enough time to get things done. Taking breaks throughout your day can help improve focus and prevent burnout. Reduce or minimize distraction like social media, text messages to stay focused. Being consistent in your routine helps you develop discipline and self-control. Taking time to celebrate achievement can help you manage stress, build confidence, and boost your resilience. It helps recognize the hard work that you have put into accomplish outstanding rewards for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more videos.